sat by the window pane, 2 cups of coffee side by side, laughing softly through the night. No matter how far apart we are, we said we'd be fine under the stars. But now my tears begin to fall. I miss your warmth, I miss it all. Happy rainy Christmas, though the lights are shining bright. Happy rainy Christmas, you're not here tonight. People passing on the street to the jingle bells and happy beats. Presents wrapped in umbrellas, high reflections shimmer